Hey everyone! If you're constantly getting that dreaded iPhone storage full notification, don't stress out. I'm here to help you clear up some space and get your iPhone running smoothly again. Today, I'll share you a few straightforward solutions to manage your apps, photos, and other data effectively to free up that much needed storage. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check iPhone storage usage and delete unwanted apps. First, open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you'll find a detailed breakdown of how much space each app and content category is using. Identify which apps are taking up the most space. Now delete any app you no longer use from this list. You can also offload large files that you don't need to keep directly on your device. Solution 2. Delete unnecessary photos and videos. Start by opening the Photos app, then go through your photos and videos, especially looking for large files or duplicates. Tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the items you want to delete and tap the trash icon. After that, don't forget to empty the recently deleted folder. Go to Albums, then tap Recently Deleted. Tap Select and then delete all to free up more space. Solution 3. Manage Messages. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Messages. Now find the Keep Messages option. Tap Keep Messages and select 30 days or 1 year instead of forever. After that, consider deleting old conversations, especially those with large attachments to save more space. Solution 4. Clear Safari cache. Open Settings, next scroll down and tap on Safari. Then tap Clear History and Website Data. This will help free up space by removing cache files and your browsing history. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the iPhone storage full issue and reclaim a lot of space on your device. If you found this guide helpful, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.